Hello and welcome to EverLogic Training. My name is Jennifer, and today we're going to go over some permissions that you can provide to your employees and allowing them specific access in EverLogic. So the employee permissions allow access to information and authority to perform different tasks. And the list below shows the basic requirements for each employee based upon the type of employee that you are adding permissions for. And keep in mind, when you are working with a manager, you do want to make sure that you mark them as a manager so that they have access to those certain specifications. First is System Administrator. This gives the user access to every tab of EverLogic. Access to Employee Setup will allow the user to edit employee information on the System Setup tab. This allows the user to end another user's session in EverLogic. This allows user to view or modify personal identifiable information for customers, employees, and vendors. This allows the user to view or edit information in all folders on the Office Operations tab. This allows the user to view or edit all information when posting deals to QuickBooks. While this only allows the user to view or edit just the responses when posting deals to QuickBooks. This gives the user permission to edit QuickBooks accounting setup, create or modify deposits, create or modify end of day, send deals, inventory payments, purchase orders, end of days and deposits to QuickBooks. This allows the user to create and view end of day information in the end of day folder on the Office Operations tab. This allows the user to unpost items from QuickBooks. Please note that this permission should be limited to those in administration and accounting. This allows the user to view, create, or edit deals and quotes. This allows the user to edit a deal that has been posted to QuickBooks. This allows the user to edit the price tab on the vehicle inventory. This allows the user to open and view everything in vehicle inventory. This allows the user to mark a unit sold. Please note that this is not recommended, as EverLogic will automatically do this through the deal process. This allows the user to edit the MSRP or selling price on vehicle inventory. This allows the user to add costs associated with vehicle inventory. This allows the user to create or modify invoices. It also allows users to search, view, or manage parts, as well as create or modify purchase orders. This allows the user to enter and edit dealer cost and selling price on parts. This allows the user to enter and edit information on the parts form. This allows the user to view, edit, or create customers. This allows the user to export and print customer information found on the customer search function. This allows a user to use the Connect integration, but only if you are a Connect customer who already has this integration set up. If you need help with your Connect integration, call us at 904-998-4066. This allows the user to see all canned reports on the Reports tab. This allows the user to view the details shown on audits for sales, parts invoices, and repair orders. This allows the user to view the sales board, but the user must also have the authority to cost and profit information in the sales operations. This allows the user to view or modify the tech scheduler and repair orders. It also allows the user to search repair orders and labor history. This allows the user to close internal repair orders after a deal has been completed and all profit accounting has been calculated and sent to QuickBooks. This is not recommended, as the deal has gone to QuickBooks with inaccurate cost and profit numbers, and a salesperson's commission has been incorrectly calculated. This allows the user to change the labor code price on a repair order. This allows the user to view all ROs and service jobs, as well as modify all open service jobs. This allows the user to work in multiple locations. This allows the user to view cost and profit on all deals, and allows the user to wash deals and see sales board. This allows the user to view all costs and profits in the parts and service departments, and is required for access to parts purchase orders. This allows the user to see commission amounts of all salespeople, and allows access to the profit accounting of a deal. This allows the user to view and edit company information, vendor information, and disclaimer information. This allows the user to edit company information on the System Setup tab. That includes company, location, workstation, titles, departments, addressing, task list statuses, and task list priority. This allows the user to edit all information in the customer folder on the System Setup tab. That includes advertising leads, buying for, using for, and prospecting statuses. This allows the user to edit all information in the parts folder on the System Setup tab. That includes bin locations, part kits, part categories, purchase order types, payment types, shipping terms, price categories, invoice types, and purchase order payment types. This allows the user to edit all information in the service folder on the System Setup tab. That includes labor codes, repair order types, appointment types, and repair order status. This allows the user to edit all information in the inventory folder on the System Setup tab. That includes inventory types, inventory chassis, feature categories, feature and options, and inventory statuses. This allows the user to edit all information in the system rules on the System Setup tab. This allows the user to put a sold unit back into vehicle inventory stock. This allows the user to mark or change the service job lines as incomplete on a repair order. This only allows the user to view inventory without making changes. It allows the user to add inventory to a quote or deal. Please note that this permission will override other sales permissions and will only allow salesperson to view inventory. This allows the user to change the price of write-ups. Each of the permissions are pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us at 904-998-4066, option 1.